Up for sale, 1975 Camaro. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, the 75 Camaro, finished in factory correct and original to the car. Silver metallic with black interior. Number matching 350. Factory 4-speed. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Factory AC, Texas car. So it's all original sheet metal floors, original trunk pan, original. Of course, I'll go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving because it is a nice driving car for sure. So of course we'll start here in the front. Probably the original bumper for the car, and actually the rubber's in good condition. Chrome is in good condition. You see some, like, you know, minor marks on there. Of course, it's as expected for your original chrome, where the license plate would have gone there. Of course, fitment all the way around the car, the way it should be. You see a couple like little blemishes in that section there. It's got black stripes on it. A couple more of those little marks there, and a little ding. I know you see it in the opening picture. That could definitely be pulled out. Nice fitment on the hood there that you see. Looks super nice. Let's go back over here to this side. You see a couple little minor marks right there on that. You see the VIN where it should be. And how you doing? Doing good. I'm doing. Anyway, I apologize for that. Let me pop the hood real quick. Set this down. Okay. There we go. There you go. 350 number matching. It's got an aluminum intake. Oh, sorry, aluminum intake and a Holly carb on it. I have a or the original air cleaner for the car that I wanted to put back on it, but the way the carburetor is, I just couldn't get it back on. But I'd love to see that back on the car because it looks, you know, as correct as it can be. Of course, without the carburetor and the intake. Brake booster, master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. You get a little glimpse of the power steering pump down there, air conditioning, and I mean, it's pretty nice in here. This is nice. Inner fender walls look nice, all that kind of stuff. You see the cowl tag is over there. I took a picture of that showing the proper codes for the 13, which is the paint, metallic silver. Nice under hood. It looks to be as original as it probably is, actually. Yeah. So we'll keep moving on down the side of the car. It's got the correct wheels on there. Tires are not even a year old, with probably 250 miles on them. I have a receipt here that I'm going to open up for $1,400. It was all the tires, and they're white letter tires on the inside with the blue on there. So if you wanted to put white letters on the outside, you just got to flip them. It was fluids and all that, brakes, control check, fuses, brake service, fluids. So a lot of good stuff for the car. Don't really know what term I would put that. Nice in that section there. Nice fitment there. This overlap that it should be. I love the wheels on here. You see nice fitment here. Door to the fender, always a positive thing, as well as door to the rocker and door to the quarter. The door is actually common for these kind of cars. They sag. This one does not. And you get another thing. You see the nice line here. All this nice fitment back. Probably the original glass. So you see a couple streaks on it from going up and down. I mean, I know that's expected for a car. You see a little mark there on the door edge, and a smear of something. Probably a cleaning product. I apologize for that. But let's go on in the car now. Actually, no, let me show you this. Keep it going. We will hop in the car in just a second here. And right in this section here, you see a couple little minor marks. I love love seeing the tag in there. Both tags, actually. Nice finish on the metal all the way up there. It's factory correct, black interior. There's no... Again, you see a lot of these cars, I'm going to stop for a second. Different shifters, different steering wheels, engines look funky, bucket seats, crap like that. Wheels, I like nice factory examples, and this one definitely spoke to me. And you don't see too many of them. The last time I had one, it was about 2 years ago, year and a half ago. It was blue with white and black interior, white stripes. 350 that was original, low miles, looked original. That spoke to me. Nice door panel here, for sure. You see a little bit of, you know, marking on it, probably original. Nice condition still. Nice finish here in the door jamb and that rocker area. Again, black bucket seats, super nice condition. The carpet's good, couple rips. I have a brand new carpet kit that's coming. It was delayed. I will just include that with the car, and it's actually not bad. I mean, just a couple little spots like that. Here's your shifter for the 4-speed. The dash pad, the dash itself is actually mint. No cracks on it, which is the way you want to see it. The only real flaw in this section that you see is there's a little crack here, you know, probably from resting your arm on it over the years. Fold this forward, show you the back seat, which is in very nice condition there. You see a couple little holes in probably the original, whatever this call that, the overlap, the fold. But the door panels in the back look nice as well. And the headliner doesn't have any rips, and it has the working dome light. Another, you know, positive sign for the car is the again, how nice and solid that closed. Positive sign is the uncut up package tray there, always positive. Don't like seeing speakers added in. It's got a different radio in it that works. I have what is the original radio in the trunk there. Of course, no bubbles down there, what you want to see. Giving you a thumbs up. Different exhaust, sounds real nice on it. A little mark right there, got the key. And then comment for these, you know, a couple little marks that have been touched up. Show you the back bumper here, original to the car as well, just about the same condition as the front. Rubber is nice. Chrome is nice. You see a little bit of like staining here. I'm sure that's common and expected. Let me just pop the trunk here real quick. The trunk, which is actually loaded with a few things right now, so I'm not going to fully unload it. There's the air cleaner that I mentioned. The Delco radio. Spare, which I kind of think is cool. It's got an old school bias ply with the white letter Goodyear on it. Trunk mat in there as well, and you get a little glimpse of it. Again, I got a bunch of stuff in here. It's got all its original spatter paint in the trunk, which is probably under 10 cars now that I've had that have maintained this, and I just eat that up when I see it. I just, you know, that it was a non-moisture car, that they didn't have to repaint at any point, that they could leave that original from the factory coating that just, you know, of course looks fantastic. The radio, show you a little bit more there. Super cool, super cool. Let me just lay this nicely back here. Older weather stripping, probably original, still doing a great job of keeping the water out though, as you've seen. All your little factory markings in here that you see a lot of late 70s, mid 70s cars. Probably the original jack instructions, and the light that works, which is super cool. You see a couple little minor stone chips in that section there. It makes sense from rocks being kicked back. Oh, here, I haven't showed you down the side of the car. Nice and straight. I'm going to refocus my camera. Give me a second. There we go. There we go. Sweet. And again, with the 4-speed, that's super cool. You get in this section here, you see a couple little miscellaneous marks on it. No bubbles though, of course, which is again what you want to see. You see a few more just on this edge there, and we'll be carrying on here just about to get inside the car here in a second. Trying to make sure I'm covering all my bases. The only other mark I noticed is just a little seam there on the seat. Oh yeah, there you go. There's a different radio in there. I was right. It's got the factory correct shifter too. I love that look. Fold the seat forward. Show you the seat back while I got a chance. Nice. Nice. Ow. Morning. Everybody wants to talk to me. 75 Camaro finished in, oh, it's a fuzzy. 75 Camaro finished in factory correct colors. Texas car, actually all original sheet metal that you see there. Nice to see a little brush there. A couple other little minor stone chips on that lower. 350 number matching. 4-speed car. Power front disc brakes. Yep. Power steering. Air conditioning. You see a few little marks there like they must have rubbed something at some point. Correct wheels, those look fantastic. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and we are going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you. Okay. also doesn't help that the guy's going straight. It doesn't help that the guy's going straight. Nice smooth acceleration. Oh, now you missed this light. I know you will. That's right. That's what I wanted to tell Jimmy to do, was look for the build sheet on the Trans Am.
You would think over the years somebody would have looked.
Probably. I mean, it's worth looking. Yeah, it's drilled and slotted on the 57.